Namaskar. Now we'll understand the concept of identity and identity operators in Python. So we call them identity operators. They are basically is and is not. These are the two identity operators. I'll call that two, right? Now the simple concept of identity is that every memory location where a value is stored is given an identity. Suppose we provide A is equal to 10 and B is equal to A. That means the label B is attached to this value, and with this statement label A is attached. So this now 10, I would say that 10 has identity A. Now I would say B has same identity as A, right? So this is the explanation of this, because at both places now 10 is stored. So when I print B is A, so it will say true, right? Now if I say B is equal to 20, this is the new value assignment. So now B is a label for the value 20. So if I say B is A, so obviously it is false, because B is not A, because A is 10. So if I say B is not A, so this will be true, right? Now interesting point comes here. When I say C is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20 separately, this is, see, right here we did A to be equated to B. So that means the same identity we manually made. Now we separately fixed up B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 20, and we say B is C. Then Python has a caching system for small numbers that it can give them same identity automatically, internally. So this B is C will also return true. Okay. So this is a Python's special trick, but this is not guaranteed. This I will show. First let me see the result of this. As I said, this is true, B is A is true. This is false because B has been changed, the value is changed, so this is false. This is true, B is not A is true, obviously. And this is true because they have the same value, because of the Python's nature, right? I will now do some extra coding to show this special nature of Python. It looks like it should be same identity, but what will happen? I am converting this text to integer, so this will be internally 1000. This will also be 1000. Is D is equal to E? This is false. But suppose I do it with the smaller numbers, right? So this will be true. So which means it is not guaranteed if the same value is stored, it will have same identity. You have to understand it by reference only. If I have given the same reference, the same identity is there. So it is not a identification of value. It is an identification of memory location. So identity is basically where my data is stored. That is the concept. For AI purpose, I have already written a question that briefly tell us about identity operators in Python. So it has explained this. What is and what is not. For instance, x is y returns true if x and y are the same object. So at the object level, identity reference has to be checked, not at the value level. Value level we have to check with comparison operator, double equal to. Okay. This concept will evolve as you grow with Python, and it's an important concept. So please do ask me questions and give your feedback in comments, and of course subscribe to this channel. Thank you.